Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to shorten your Canva document links. Long URLs can look messy. With just a few clicks, we can create cleaner and more shareable links for our designs. On the Canva newsletter dashboard, we need to click the Share button in the upper right part of the page. This is where we can find our link in Canva. Here, we can see the Copy Link option. We just need to click this. This lets us share the link with friends or anyone on social media. To make the link shorter, we go to tinyurl.com. We open this website, and then we paste the long URL here. As we can see, it is quite long. When we click the Shorten Link button, it will make our URL shorter. Let's wait for it to process. Now we have our new, shorter URL. We can copy it and share it right away. We can clearly see the difference between how long it was before and how short it is now. We can check that it works by opening a new tab and pasting the shortened URL. As we can see, it works perfectly. And that's it. Your Canva document link is now shorter and easier to share. This simple step helps keep your messages neat and professional.